everyone, welcome to the second part of horse tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet, how to make legs of horse. Okay, for the back legs I'm going to use 5mm crochet hook and start with magic ring, then chain 1, and this chain you have to count as single crochet because we are going to make single crochets into the magic ring and make 5 single crochets into the magic ring. You can grab the yarn from back or from front, it's up to you, but do it just like you did a horse's body and continue working like this all the way of this pattern. Okay, if you have 5 single crochets in your magic ring, then you can pull the starting tail and tighten the magic ring. Then we have joined around with a slip stitch, and you can count from the right side, and you have to insert your hook into the 5th stitch and make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to hide the starting tail behind my work, and in next round you have to increase every stitch, so make 2 single crochets in every stitch all the way around. And mark the start, mark the beginning of the round, because you need to know where is the beginning every round. We are working in a round, so you need to know it. In next round, we are going to increase every second stitch. So I'm going to increase the 1st stitch, and in next stitch make just 1 single crochet. Then increase again, so make 2 single crochets in next stitch and continue working like this all the way around. You can pause the video and then meet me back again at the end of this round. In next round we have to increase every 3rd stitch, so make 2 single crochets in the 1st stitch, then make just 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches and then increase again. And continue working like this all the way around, and then you can meet me back again at the end of the round. Now we will not increase, we will make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, but we are going to use just the back loop, no, not stitches, just this back loop. So we will use just 1 loop and its back loop, and make 1 single crochet in each this back loop all the way around. Okay, now we have to decrease, and we have to decrease 4 times in this round. So I will decrease on the start, left, back and right side. So make 2 single crochets together on the beginning of this round, and then make just 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. and then you have to decrease again. So make 2 single crochets together, and you have to decrease 2 more times. And now we are going to change the color of yarn. So it's up to you if you will change the color with your favorite way, or with simple way, or with invisible color change. If you want, you can watch my single video for invisible color change. Just click the link in description of this video or above in the right corner. And to make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. There is many ways how to change the colors, but it's the best when you will finish the round and start the new round with chain 1. Okay, now make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and I used the invisible color change, so it's a little harder now to insert the hook into the stitches, but it's just 1 round, and I think this method of color change is the best. So it's up to you what color change you pick. Okay, so continue working 1 single crochet. And now we have to decrease again in next round. And we have to decrease again 4 times in this round. So make 2 single crochets together, and then you have to decrease on the left side, back side and right side. So now make 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and now you have to decrease again. So decrease 2 more times, and between decrease you have to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, and now make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and you have to make 9 rounds for back legs, and for front legs you need to use 4 or 4.5 millimeters crochet hook, and you will make 7 rounds of single crochets. And you need to make 2 back legs and 2 front legs. And then just stuff the leg with hollow fiber, but not firmly in the upper part of leg. It's better when you will put just little amount of hollow fiber into the upper part of leg. Okay, now before you will sew all legs to the body, you need to sew both sides of leg together. So use yarn needle, and you need to leave the tail longer. Now just sew it together like this. Before you sew the legs to the body, it's better when you sew the head of horse first. And I always use pins with a large head and stitch markers. Okay, it's everything from me. If you will have any questions, write me below, and I will look forward at the third part of this tutorial. So have a lovely day and bye bye.